Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Telegram password on your PC step by step. This password is your two-step verification password, which adds an extra layer of security to your Telegram account. So let's get started. First, open Telegram Desktop on your computer. Sign in to your Telegram account if you haven't already. Next, click the three-line menu in the top left corner of the window. From the menu, select Settings. Now, click Privacy and Security. Scroll down until you find the Two-Step Verification section. If you've already enabled two-step verification, click Change Password. Enter your current password and click Next. Now, type your new password. Re-enter the new password to confirm it. If prompted, you can also update your password hint to help you remember your new password. If you have a recovery email linked to your account, Telegram may ask you to verify it before saving the changes. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification if required. Once the process is complete, your new two-step verification password will be active immediately. If you haven't enabled two-step verification yet, you'll see the option to Set Password instead. Follow the prompts to create a new password and optionally add a recovery email for added security. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Telegram password on your PC. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Telegram tips, messaging app tutorials, and productivity guides. See you in the next one.